Good morning, everyone! Good morning! Magandang Centrina morning, everyone! We are live here at Centrina Alaminos for a live virtual tour of our project and our model units. Good morning, everyone! Yes, nandito po tayo ngayon mismo sa labas ng Centrina Alaminos. And we are going to give you a live virtual tour of our project. This is located here at Alaminos, Laguna. Ayan, ito po yung aming marker. So as you can see, we are just along the highway. This is Maharlika Highway po, here in Barangay San Benito, Alaminos, Laguna. So yan, may mga dumadaang bus dito, di ba? Nakikita nyo? So napakaganda po ng location natin. We are just along the highway. So this is a subdivision project with pre-selling house and lot units po. At mamaya po itutour po natin kung ano po yung ating mga house models dito sa Centrina Alaminos. You can have it all here at Centrina because Centrina brings class, comfort, and convenience to the Alaminos living space. We are perfectly situated along Maharlika Highway here in the progressive community and municipality of Alaminos, Laguna. And we are just 2 kilometers away from SM City, San Pablo. So this project is an 18-hectare master plan development that elevates the lifestyle of its residents with its first-class residential community with our elegant, modern, contemporary homes and resort-inspired amenities. Not to mention, we'll also have a super prime, expansive commercial area to redefine convenient living. So, behind me will be the area for the super prime expansive commercial area. So, pwede tayong magkaroon dito ng mall or supermarket, and on the other side, we will also have some commercial establishments din po dyan. So, hindi lang maganda yung location natin, no? Napakalapit na po ng lahat dahil dito mismo sa Centrina Alaminos, magkakaroon po tayo ng commercial area. So that really redefines convenient living kasi hindi ka nalalayo pa, nandyan na lahat. We have it all here at Centrina. So number one, we have an excellent location. So you can live with convenience. Again, this is situated in Barangay San Benito, Alaminos, Laguna. And we are just along Maharlika National Highway. This is actually 260 meters from LTO San Pablo City. So kung papunta tayo dito sa papuntang San Pablo, 260 meters na lang po. Nandun na po yung LTO. And since we are adjacent to our future commercial development. So, napakalapit natin to our everyday needs. And we are also 2 kilometers away from SM City San Pablo. We're also near Pure Gold San Pablo City, as well as the public market of Alaminos and San Pablo City. Ayan. So, location pa lang panalo na. But wait until you see our model units. Mamaya-maya po yan. Not only we are near supermarkets and public markets and a commercial area. Malapit din po tayo sa mga schools. So for your children's education, we are near different schools and colleges where you can send your children with convenience also. And of course, kitang-kita nyo naman kanina, ayan, papakita ko po ulit ngayon. Since we are along the highway, it will be very convenient for you to commute because as you can see, the bus is going to and from Manila. Dumadaan po dito sa highway na to. Yes, it's a gated community, so later po I will show you the gate and guard house once we enter our subdivision. It's a gated community with 24-hour security po. Ayan, so we have a gate and guard house po. Pagpasok po from here, nandito pa po tayo sa may entry marker ng Centrina Alaminos. So this is our entry marker. And then, papasok po tayo dyan mamaya. And then inside, mga a few meters from here will be the gate and guard house po. Number one talaga po when we are looking for a house, no, or a home. Yan. Number one kina-consider natin is location. And on top of that list, here in Laguna is Centrina Alaminos. Kasi nasa along highway po tayo, wala na po tayong papasukan na mga ibang roads. Talagang we are right outside. We are just right along the highway, Maharlika National Highway. So ayan, makikita niyo may bus. Ayan, may DLTV na dumadaan. There are also jeepneys and tricycles na dumadaan po dito. So wala pong problema if going around San Pablo or Alaminos, or if you need to go to Metro Manila. Napakadali lang po. Very accessible po talaga siya. Ayan. And also, para po dun sa mga para din po sa spiritual nourishment nila, ayan, marami pong mga churches, iba't ibang church din po around the area. So, hindi po rin mahirap puntahan. Ayan. We are near everything you need. That's why here at Centrina Alaminos, you can have it all. And hashtag, life is better at Centrina. And ang kagandahan po pala dito sa mga houses natin, alright, lahat po ng mga bahay po natin dito ay complete interior finish. So, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, kapag complete interior finish po, ay ito turn over po sa inyo na kompleto na, may mga tiles na, may mga fixtures na po. Ang kulang na lang po ay furniture o yung mga gamit po ninyo na personal. No? So makikita nyo po how nice po yung magiging turnover ng ating mga houses dito sa Centrina Alaminos. At isa pa, pagdating po sa payment or sa presyo, ang mga prices po natin dito sa Centrina Alaminos ay all-in na po. All-in, meaning no hidden charges. Alright, so our prices ranges from 5 million and up, or at least lowest natin na down payment, alright, monthly down payment is only 20,000 per month. So that's very affordable for a 3-bedroom house po with complete interior finish. Sulit na sulit po yan at napakaganda pa po ng location. Makikita nyo po why Centrina is the best choice for you and why life is better at Centrina. So ready na po ba tayo? Papasukin po natin yung ating subdivision para makita po ninyo yung ating gate and guard house and of course our model units. Alright, papasok na po tayo. Yes, napakaganda pa ng location and nakikita niyo naman ang dami pong puno on the right side. That will be our super expansive commercial area. On the other side din po, magkakaroon din po tayo ng mga commercial establishments dyan. And we are now approaching our gate and guard house. So, ang ganda po. Ayan. So, alam niyo po talaga na exclusive subdivision siya. Ang ganda po ng design natin. We have ayan, Kuya Guard here. Alright, we have 24-hour security po. Alright, ilang minutes biyahe from Manila. Actually, if coming from Manila, mga 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Kasi I came from Marikina this morning. And yung total travel time ko from Marikina is just 2 hours. So if you're coming from Makati or Alabang or Las Piñas, I think that will take less time to get here. Okay. So, unahin po natin. Yan, tingnan natin yung ating mga model units. Sisimulan natin dito sa Avina. Alright, so bababa tayo. Yes, yung atin pong main road is 12 meters wide. So, malawak po ang kalsada at napakaaliwalas po ng ating mga kalsada dito. Marami tayong mga tanim na halaman. Ayan. So, let me show you our Avina model unit. This is the most affordable model unit that we have. Alright. So, this is Avina with a minimum lot area of 89 square meters and a total usable floor area of 85 square meters. Ayan po siya. With 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and baths. So this is the Avina house model. Right now, the smallest lot area na meron kaming available sa inventory natin is 96 square meters. Alright, so pagdating po sa total contract price nito, it's 5,015,000. But you can avail this with a 10% down payment of at as low as 20,063 pesos based on 24 months down payment. Over 24 months po, pwede nyo pong hulugan yung down payment natin. Alright, so that is the Avina model. Sige, layo tayo para makita nyo yung buong house. Papasukin po natin yan. So, ready na po kayo? Papasukin natin ang Avina model. Again, this is the most affordable house model that we have right now on our inventory. The minimum lot area is 96 square meters and the floor area is 85 square meters. Total contract price is 5,015,202. Now, pwede nyo po itong i-reserve sa halagang 20,000 pesos at pwede rin po tayo mag-avail ng 10% down payment. Ayan, we are one of the few subdivision projects that are offering 10% down payment. So, kayang-kaya po ninyong hulugan ang ating down payment over 24 months as low as 20,063 per month. Meron ka ng 3-bedroom house with 2 toilet and baths with complete interior finish. And not to mention, our prices are all-in na po, meaning no hidden charges. Kasama na rin po dyan sa presyo natin yung mga pakabit ng tubig, kuryente at mga bank charges. So, pasukin po natin. Ito na po yung ating main door. Alright. As you can see, ayan. Ang ganda po. This is the ground floor of our Avina model unit. And sa turnover po natin, naka 60 by 60 ceramic tiles na siya. Ayan po, yung flooring yan. Okay, and then, yung mga fixtures, na banyo, yung tiles, yung flooring din po sa ground floor, kasama na po yun. Ang hindi lang po kasama, of course, are the furniture na nandito po sa model unit. So, it's up to the house buyer kung ano po yung gusto nilang style ng kanilang interior. Alright? So, pasukin na natin. So, what's special about the Avina model unit is that the ground floor has a high ceiling. Kita niyo po? Ayan. So, napakaaliwalas po ng dating kapag mataas po ang ceiling. So, nandito po ako ngayon sa ating ground floor at makikita niyo po kung gaano kaaliwalas. Yan. Kasi high ceiling po ang kanyang living area. So, again, this house has 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and baths. Ang maganda po dito, pwede pong kasama yung ating mga relatives or ating mga parents na seniors kasi meron tayong 1 bedroom sa ground floor. Alright, I'll show you. So, this is the first bedroom. Bedroom 1, dito po sa ground floor. Okay, so pwedeng magkaroon ng Ayan. Pwede pong tumira dito ang mga seniors natin. Kasi, meron tayong bedroom sa ground floor. At nakikita nyo po, ayan, maaliwalas din po because we have wide windows. Those are aluminum sliding windows. Ang kagandahan po yan, hindi po yan kinakalawang and it will last you a long time. Ayan no, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng view sa labas. Maraming halaman. Ayan. So, again, indeed, life is better at Centrina. Nakaka-relax, 'di ba, pag ganito yung house mo? For as low as 20,000 pesos monthly down payment, may ganito ka ng kagandang house. Alright, tignan niyo po. Silipin niyo po yung ating mga tiles. And then, this is our kitchen. Alright, ang hindi lang po kasama sa ating kitchen is the the counter cabinets or yung overhead cabinets. Alright, yan po nasa taas. But the under counter cabinets, meron na po tayong under counter cabinets. Yan, tsaka naka-tiles din po yung counter ng ating kitchen. Alright, so here, may pintuan po dyan. Ayan, this is going to the service or utility area, or you can use this as your laundry area or your sampayan, your dirty kitchen. Ayan. So, parang meron kang extra space here at the back. Alright. Maluwag po yan. And then, meron din po yung extra space sa gilid ng house. So, this is the first toilet and bath here on the ground floor. So, ayan po siya. Naka-tiles po yan. Ceramic tiles. Kasama na po yung ating lababo, yung faucet, yung ating water closet or yung inidoro. We also have telephone shower included. And nakikita niyo po, this wall is also made of ceramic tiles. And meron na po tayong lalagyan dyan ng mga toiletries natin. Diba? Para neat and organized. And also, what's nice with our houses, since modern houses ito, yan, kasama na po yan. May saksakan na rin po if ever you will be installing your hot and cold shower, kasama na po yan. O, diba? So, hindi nyo na kailangan isipin yung mga yan dahil naisip na po namin yan. Kasama na po yan sa pag-turnover. So, another perspective of the ground floor, living, dining, and kitchen area. Alright, so next, punta na po tayo sa second floor. Yes, ang ganda po ba? Ang ganda po ba? So, the stairs is concrete with wooden planks. Okay? So, akitin po natin yung ating second floor. Yes, ang ganda po, 'di ba? Kayang-kaya po. For as low as 20,000 per month for your monthly down payment, magkakaroon ka na ng ganitong bahay. So here at the second floor, we use vinyl tiles. Alright, and we have 2 more bedrooms here and 1 more toilet and bath. So this is the toilet and bath here on the second floor. So, similar din siya dun sa toilet and bath natin kanina. Alright. And then, let's go to bedroom number 2. So, all of the rooms, may mga abang na rin po nasaksakan for the air conditioner. Ayan. So, hindi nyo na kailangan magpatiktik. Meron na rin pong butas yan for a window type air conditioner. And then, look at the windows. Ang lalaki po ng mga bintana. Para po pumapasok yung natural light. Maaliwalas, diba? And this is the second bedroom sa second floor. Alright, so on the second floor po, naka-vinyl tiles po tayo. Sa ground floor po is 60 by 60 ceramic tiles. Actually po, no, a lot of our buyers are also from Metro Manila and nagsisilipatan po dito sa Laguna because dito po mas peaceful, you can still get fresh air, and right now po, since ang project naman po natin ay along the highway, napakadali lang pong umuwi ng Manila, no? Makakapara ka ng bus right outside our subdivision. When you step out of Centina Alaminos, nandiyan na po ang mga buses going to Metro Manila. So now, let's enter our master bedroom. Alright, so ang master bedroom natin, nakikita nyo meron siyang sliding aluminum doors going to the balcony. So ito yung master bedroom. Alright. Nice, diba? Ang ganda. Alright, so the master bedroom has an access to its own balcony. So ito po yung balcony niya. Anong model po nito? This is the Avina model unit. This is the most affordable pa po natin na model unit. So ito po yung labas ng ating balcony. O, diba po? Ang sarap ng paglalabas ka tapos ganito yung view mo sa labas. Very maliwalas. Diba? You can see the whole community. Ang lalawak po ng ating roads. Alright, so right now, we are still at the Avina model unit. Again, this house has 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and baths. So, 2-story na po siya. And lahat naman po ng house models natin dito, kapag tinurn over, complete interior finish na. Ang ibig sabihin po nun, naka-tiles na, may mga fixtures na, you only need to bring your own furniture. We have an inquiry. Do we have options na mamili ng color ng tiles for the second floor? Actually po, pwede nyo naman po siyang palitan after turnover. Yan, pwede po kayo magpalit after turnover po. So, ang maganda, again, nabanggit ko kanina, the ground floor, super aliwalas because of its high ceiling. So, from the second floor, yan, matatanaw mo ang ground floor. Kita nyo naman. Ang ganda, diba? So, pag may bisita ka dyan, you can say hi. Masisilip mo kagad. Alright. So, again, this is the Avina house model. So, let's have one last look of the Avina house model. So, unang bahay pa lang yan, di ba? Unang bahay pa lang yan. So, this is our first house model na ipinapakita. Avina po ito. Alright, so we are going to visit the other house models pa po. Ayan, let's check them out. Next is Ara. Alright, yung next house model natin is Ara. So, Ara is also a 3-story house model. 2-story, sorry. 3-bedroom, 2-story house model with 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and baths. But this one, ang special naman sa kanya is that it has a family room or family area on the ground floor. Alright, so this is Ara. And the usable floor area of Ara is 95 square meters. And the minimum lot area is 89 square meters. But right now, based on our inventory, ang available po natin na Ara stands on a 96 square meter lot. Ayan. So, wala na po tayo sa ngayon na 89 square meter na lote for Ara. Ang meron tayo is 96 square meters. Alright, so, this one, ang total contract price natin for this house is 5.3 million. And at 10% down payment po, you can pay for 24 months na down payment for as low as 21,500 pesos. And you can also reserve this house for only 20,000 pesos po. Ayan. So take note again, our prices here at Centrina are all in, meaning wala po kaming hidden charges. Kasama na po sa prices natin yung mga pakabit ng tubig, kuryente, and even the bank charges and fees. So wala na po kaming ibang sisingilin sa inyo kundi yung monthly po na amortization nyo or down payment. Alright? So are you ready to enter the ARA model? Let's go! Alright, so ito na po yung pangalawa sa ating mga house. Maganda po, no? Yung exterior pa lang po, napakaliwalas because we use modern contemporary colors, more on new uniform po yung mga houses dito para to maintain the ambience of the community. So, now we are inside the ARA model unit. Ang luwag po, di ba? Okay. Ano pong gamit na tubig dyan? Nawasa po ba? Or deep well water tank? So, we are getting our water from the local water district, but we also have our own overhead water tank. Alright, so in cases na magkaroon ng problem with the water supply from the local water district, we will have our own reserve. Ayan. Okay, so, yan. Again, all our houses are complete interior finish upon turnover. So, pasukin na po natin. Ang luwag din po nito at ang maganda po sa houses talaga natin, hindi po tinipid sa windows. That's why the natural light comes in po, no? Nakakaaliwalas po yun. And syempre, mas tipid tayo sa kuryente kasi, 'di ba, maliwanag na po yung bahay. No need to turn on a lot of lights, lalo na kung daytime. Alright. So as you can see, we are using the 60 by 60 ceramic tiles. So we are now looking at the dining and kitchen area. So if I turn around, this will be your living area. So this now is the family area. So dito sa model unit natin, parang ginawa po siyang home office since usong-uso naman po ang work from home ngayon. But you can also turn this into an entertainment or parang lounging area for the family. And here we have a nice view of the garden. So may parang garden area pa po kayo dyan because you have extra space sa lot ninyo. And then we have sliding aluminum door. Yan. Ang maganda po sa aluminum doors and windows, hindi po kasi sila nangangalawang. Unlike kapag bakal po kasi, pag nangalawang, hindi mo na siya mabukas-sara. So it will last you very long. Okay. Pagdating pa sa amenities pala, no, we have complete resort-inspired amenities po. Like swimming pool, basketball court, children's playground. Yan, kompleto po tayo. May mga jogging paths din po tayo. So, hindi po kayo mawawalan ng activities. You can also have picnics. You can, since magkakaroon din tayo ng clubhouse, you'll have a place to hold your special occasions. Ayan. And you can check out our previous projects, especially the Centrina Lipa project on our website, centrina.ph, para makita po ninyo kung paano po ang kalalabasan ng mga amenity area po natin. Napakaganda po, all resort inspired. Parang may sarili po kayong resort inside the subdivision. Ganun po kaganda mag-develop ng amenity area ang Red Oak Properties Inc. and Mega Prestige Property Ventures. Alright. So again, balik tayo. Nandito tayo sa ARA model. Yan. We are here at the ARA model unit. And this is the living, dining, and kitchen area. And galing din po tayo kanina doon sa ating family area. Now, this is the ground floor toilet and bath. Alright, so for the toilet and bath, it comes with a water closet or the inidoro, a lavatory, and a telephone shower. And lahat po ng mga banyo natin may saksakan na rin po in case gusto niyo po mag-install ng hot and cold shower. And then, yan, meron din po tayo dyang lalagyan ng mga shampoo, sabon. Yes. Miss Vin Salamero, yes po. Nakatiles na po. Complete interior finish na po tayo. Alright. So, even the kitchen, ang laki din po ng bintana. And matatanong nyo po galing sa bintana is the utility area. So, buksan po natin to. You can do your laundry here. Ayan. Pwedeng maging sampayan para hindi po kita sa harap ng bahay. Ayan, so you have extra space here for the utility area. Alright. So, that's it. That's the ground floor of our ARA model. This is the second house model here at Sandrina Alaminos. So, right now, we are going up to the second floor. Now, our stairs is made of concrete with wooden planks. So, akitin po natin. So, lahat po ng bedrooms naman ng ARA model unit nasa second floor. So, we have 3 bedrooms here in the ARA model unit. Alright. So, pasukin po muna natin yung two smaller bedrooms. This is bedroom 1. Ayan, dalawa po yung bintana niya. Malalaki rin po. And yung buong second floor po natin naka-vinyl tiles. Alright. This is the other bedroom. Alright, maluluwag po yung mga bedroom. And lahat po ng bedroom kompleto sa sockets, may abang na for the air conditioner, may abang na rin po na saksakan. So, hindi nyo na po magpatik-tik, hindi kailangan magpatik-tik pa, yung mga ganon, magpabutas. Maglalagay na lang talaga kayo ng gamit. And this is the toilet and bath dito po sa second floor. So, ito pong toilet and bath, as you can see, may common access siya dito, and then may access din po yung master bedroom. So, pwedeng two-way siya. Pwedeng i-lock lang yung pinto if somebody is inside. And now, this is the, wow. Ito talaga, tuwang-tuwa talaga ako sa, sa master bedroom nito. Ang luwag, and it has really large windows. Yes, mas maluluwag po ang rooms nito. See? You have 2 windows on this side and then a large window here. So, ang aliwalas po talaga. Yeah, so that's the other side of the bedroom. And then, through this door, you'll have an access to the balcony also. So, ayan po. Makikita niyo na po yung magandang view ng ating subdivision. 'Di ba? Very nice. Talagang very peaceful and maaliwalas po. Wow, maganda ito. Lalo na pagising mo sa umaga, ganda ng vibes ng bintana. Yes, 'di ba? Okay. Yung ating yung smart bro nasa Avina. Alright, perfect! Yes! My favorite balcony, pwede magkape at mag-relax. Yes! Yan po, kaya talagang nilalagyan po namin ng balcony lahat po ng ating mga house models. Kasi syempre, we need to have a place where we can appreciate the ambience outside. No, kahit nandito tayo sa loob ng bahay. Kasi ang ganda po ng paligid eh. Maraming puno, maluluwag po yung ating mga roads. Maaliwalas po talaga at nakaka-relax. So, on the weekend or after nyo po magtrabaho, di ba? Ang sarap mag-relax with coffee or merienda po dun sa balcony natin. Tama po kayo dyan. At ito po yan, before we move on to our next model unit, tignan nyo po ulit, yan, another perspective of our ARA house model. Ayan, so napaka-generous naman talaga sa mga bintana. Bintana everywhere. Para talagang pumapasok yung natural light, 'di ba? It doesn't look stuffy, 'di ba? Hindi siya parang kulob because of the large windows. Yes, totoo yan. Napakaluwag ng mga kalsada, masarap mag-jogging. And bukod po sa malalaki yung kalsada, we will also have mga jogging paths and parks para po talagang dun po kayo gumawa ng recreational activities nyo. Yes, sarap tumira sa ganito. Yes, that is true. Even those who are living in Metro Manila, they are now transferring here in Laguna po. And because of our very excellent location, wala pong problema in going to Metro Manila kasi nasa labas lang po ng subdivision natin yung mga buses pauwi ng Manila. So, tama po kayo, merong bus going to Pasay. Then I think you can go down dun po sa may Buendia. Sa may dulo po ng EDSA. Sa may sakayan po ng MRT doon, tsaka LRT. So, nandun po yun yung dulo na, yung sakayan ng MRT, LRT. Dalawa pa lang yung naiikot natin. We still have 3 more house models here at Centrina Alaminos. So, ikutin na rin po natin yan. Ready na po ba kayo? Alright. So, yung una nating dalawang houses na pinasok are the 2 most affordable ones. So, Avina and ARA. And, parehas po sila may 3 bedrooms. Ang pinagkaiba lang po, si Avina, siya yung may nakita nyo may high ceiling. And then, si ARA naman po, meron siyang family area sa loob. So, depende na lang din po kung ano yung preference nyo, di ba? If you're starting family, pasok na pasok po talaga sa specifications yung Avina and ARA because it already has 3 bedrooms, may 2 ng banyo, and ang kagandahan po dito, hassle-free because that's already livable. Complete interior finish na po. Ating prices naman, all our prices, our total contract price is all in, meaning no more hidden charges. Wala na po kami ibang sisingilin sa inyo pagdating ng kabitan ng kuryente, kabitan ng tubig, kasi kasama na po yan sa presyo na binabanggit po namin sa inyo. Kasama na rin po dyan yung ating mga bank charges and fees. So wala na po kayong ibang aalalahanan, especially sa mga OFWs natin dyan. 'Di ba? Siyempre, iba pa rin po yung parang isahang bayaran na lang. Kasi wala na po kayong iisipin. Ano po sukat ng road? So for this one, this is the main road. This is 12 meters. And then yung mga ibang roads po 10. So it's bigger than standard po talaga. Alright? Mas maluwag po tayo than the standard size ng roads. Ayan, hindi siya hiwalay sa TCP yung miscellaneous. Hindi po. The miscellaneous fees are included in the TCP na po. That's why sinasabi natin na all-in na or no hidden charges. Yun po yun. Guaranteed, 100%. All-in po tayo, no hidden charges dito po sa Centrina Alaminos. Alright, so now, papakita ko ngayon sa inyo si Raya. One of our best sellers din po itong si Raya. Ayan, one of our best sellers is Raya. And the Raya house model has a lot area of 121 square meters, floor area of 107 square meters po. Alright, so right now, yung nakikita nyo po mismo na house or model unit stands on 121 square meter lot area din po. So, yan po yung actual na size ng available din po natin ng mga Raya ngayon. Yung mas maliliit po na lots niya. Of course, we have also bigger lots for this one if you want bigger area, outdoor area for your house. Alright, sige. Bago tayo pumasok, sagutin natin yung mga questions. How about mga juice like garbage collection po? So, magkakaroon lang po ng monthly juice kapag ano na po, meron na pong homeowners association. So, dun pa lang po yun ma-determine. Okay? Ready na? So, pasukin na natin ang Raya. Ito na yung pangatlo. So, palaki po ng palaki yung mga pinapasok natin na house model. So, nandito na tayo sa third most affordable. So, ayan siya. Usable floor area, 107 square meters. Minimum lot area is 121 square meters. Now, Raya, yung Raya house model natin, mas marami na po ang kwarto niya. At 3 na po ang toilet and baths niya. So, 4 bedrooms with 3 toilet and baths. So, pasukin po natin. Good morning, Tita Sharon. Hello sa Japan. Yan, sa mga nasa Japan. Alright, so, ayan, di ba ang bongga? Sobrang luwag. This is the Raya house model. So, as you can see, we are now here at the Raya house model's ground floor. Ito po yung ating living area. And that is the dining and kitchen area. Yes po, may mga schools po na malapit from preschool to college. Malapit po sa lahat. From preschool to college po, maraming schools na pagpipilian po dito. Sa college, nandyan yung Canosa College, yung San Pablo City Colleges, Laguna, and then may mga preschool, high school po na malapit. Yes, so ito yung ating dining and kitchen area. Garden, diba? Kita nyo yan? Sisipagin ka talagang magluto pag ganito yung kitchen mo. Tama ba? And of course, ayan, we have enough space for a family of 6. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman. And ang maganda rin po sa ating kitchen and dining area, ayan, meron din tayong aluminum sliding door. So, this Raya house model has 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths. So, living, dining, and kitchen area nandito na po sa ground floor. We also have 1 bedroom here on the ground floor. So, perfect siya if you have seniors living with you or if you want to have your own work from home station. Yan, pwede, diba? Nice. O, may view din ulit. May bintana rin. O, diba? Puro halaman. Very nice. So, here's another perspective of the ground floor, living, dining, and kitchen area. Yan. Alright, so, again, sa mga bagong viewers natin, all of our houses come in complete interior finish, meaning, livable na po siya pagkalipat po ninyo sa bahay. Okay po? So, ibig sabihin po ng complete interior finish, katulad po niyan, kasama na po yung tiles, of course, yung mga doors, yung ceiling, yung mga fixtures natin, kasama na po yung lahat. Okay? Alright, so, this time, akit po tayo. But before that, ito, nakatago po pala yung isang banyo dito. So, you have 1 toilet and bath here on the ground floor. So, complete finish na din po yan. May lavatory, may water closet or inidoro, telephone shower, and yung lalagyan po ng ating mga sabon, shampoo, para organized po siya, hindi po pakalat-kalat, diba? Ang ganda. And floor to ceiling po yung tiles niyan. May nakaabang na rin po tayo na saksakan in case you want to install a water heater. Alright, now let's go upstairs. Again, the stairs is made of concrete with wooden planks. And alam nyo ba, you can own a Raya House model with a total contract price of 6.6 million pesos. For the down payment po na 10% down payment, kayang-kaya niyo po siyang bayaran up to 24 months for as low as 26,300 pesos monthly. And kung gusto niyo po i-reserve this Raya model, you just need a reservation fee of 30,000 pesos, which is deductible from the down payment. Yes. Totoo po yan, nakaka-in-love. Actually, this is one of the best sellers natin, yung Raya House model. So, here on the second floor, we have 3 more bedrooms. This is bedroom 1, again, with the large windows. And on the second floor po, naka-vinyl tiles po tayo. Okay? This is the common toilet here on the second floor. And next is another bedroom. Ayan, another bedroom po. Ayan, nakikita niyo, kung mapapansin niyo talaga, we make it a point that all of our rooms and even our dining and living kitchen areas, malalaki po ang bintana kasi para hindi po siya magmukhang madilim and kulob. Alright, now we are entering the master bedroom of the Raya model unit. Yan, this is the master bedroom. Ang laki po ng bintana nito. Natatakpan pa nga ng kortina yung gilid, pero ganyan po kalaki yung ating windows. 'Di ba? Nakaka-good vibes. That is true. Yan ang gusto ko, maraming natural light na pumapasok. Yes. Hindi lang siya nakakaaliwalas, pero 'di ba aminin natin, nakakatipid siya ng kuryente. Tama ba? Ayan. So, sorry, for the second floor po pala of the Raya House model, vinyl tiles na po ito. Mukha lang siyang kahoy, but ceramic tiles, okay? Ayan, ceramic tiles po itong sa second floor. So, yung Avina and Ara, ang second floor nila vinyl tiles. Pero starting with Raya and moving forward, yung magiging tiles na po ng buong second floor ay ceramic tiles na mukha pong kahoy, 'di ba? Pero ang ganda. Yan. So pag ceramic tiles kasi less maintenance, no? Low maintenance siya. Alright. So for the master bedroom, ang Raya po, may sarili na po siyang toilet and bath sa master bedroom. So maluwag, 'di ba? And nakikita nyo ba the countertop po dito sa master bedroom, granite po ito. So, very social, right? Granite countertop. And then, you have the water closet and the shower area. Yan, floor to ceiling din po ang tiles. Comes with telephone, shower, and socket for water heater. Nandiyan na rin po. And again, look at that. So nice ng ating malaking bintana. And then we have the door with the balcony access. So yan, silipin niyo po ulit. This is how it looks like outside with our wide roads. At ang lakas ng hangin. Teka lang, hinahangin yung pinto. Ganun sarap yung hangin dito, no? Ayan, hinahangin yung pinto. Sinasara yung pinto ng hangin. Alright. Napaka-presko po. When you go outside the balcony, it's nice to have your morning coffee or your merienda here, or just, you know, you can take your work here outside your balcony para mas relaxed ka. Especially if you're working from home. Ang sarap po dito. Ang lakas ng hangin. Ayan. Kahit maaraw, no, ang lakas ng hangin. So, napaka-presko po talaga. Ibang-iba po talaga if you are living here in Laguna. Parang yung ambience niya, you're still in the province, but take note, along the highway lang po tayo. O, tambay while drinking beer. Oh, that's correct. Pwede rin yun. Diba? Yan. Makikita nyo, parang wala kayo sa loob ng city, diba? Parang wala kayo sa city, parang nasa malayo kayo. Pero ang totoo niyan, paglabas mo highway na. So, ibang-iba pagpasok niya dito sa subdivision. Super peaceful. And ang lakas ng hangin. Yan, kanina sinasaraduhan ako ng pinto kasi hinahangin yung pinto. Ganon kalakas yung hangin. Yes, sarap mag-online work dyan sa balcony. That's true. Yan, di lang mag-work, pati magmuni-muni. Okay din, di ba? So again, that's the Raya house model. Ayan, silipin ulit natin going down. Yes, ang ganda talaga. Mai-inspire ka mag-ipon. Yes, and alam nyo ba na pwede naman siyang hulugan. Hindi naman kailangan cash kasi meron tayong 10% down payment payable up to 24 months. At ito pong Raya house model, kaya niyo po siyang hulugan for only 26,000 per month. Based po yan sa 10% down payment over 24 months. Kaya kayang-kaya po. Sa ganong halaga, meron ka ng ganitong kagandang bahay. 'Di ba? So, hashtag, life is better at Centrina. Talaga naman, 'di ba? Life is better here at Centrina. If you could visit our site here, this is along Maharlika Highway, San Benito, Alaminos, Laguna. Mas ma-appreciate nyo po talaga yung mga houses natin as well as the overall ambience of the community. Ayan, may mga nakatira na po. Meron na rin po. May mga nakatira na po. Actually, kahapon may nag-blessing lang din. And then, this year, marami pa po kaming tina-turn over. So, as you can see kanina, pag lumalabas tayo ng balcony, may mga ongoing din tayo na mga houses. Ginagawa po kasi mga this year po yan, or iba early next year, lilipat na rin po sila. Pero, kanina rin po kung mapapansin nyo, may mga dumadaan na rin po mga kotse. Mga residents na rin po yun who are currently living here already. So, that was the Raya model. So, nakailan na tayo? 3 house models already. Alright, so pangatlo na yan. We still have 2 more to go. Alright, so we are down to our 4th house model. Ito na po yung second to the biggest natin. So, we only have 5 house models here at Centrina, Alaminos. Now, this is the Amira house model. Ay, ang ganda, 'di ba? Ang ganda. Ang laki nito. Yan. So, this is the Amira house model po. And the Amira house model is standing on a minimum of 121 square meters na lot area with a floor area of 142 square meters. Now, si Amira po, meron siyang 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths, plus an attic. Pero, hindi po ibig sabihin na attic, yun po yung parang storage lang, na madilim, na masikip, na mababa ang ceiling. Pag nakita niyo po ang attic nitong Amira house model, you would be surprised. Kasi napaka-spacious niya and marami po siyang pwedeng pagkagamitan. Alright. So, this is the Amira house model. Again, 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths with attic. And ang kanya pong total contract price starts at 7.9 million. Pero, pwede po siyang hulugan. So, you will just reserve it for only 30,000 pesos po. Yan po ang ating reservation fee. And then, pwede natin siyang hulugan as low as 10% down payment. Payable in 24 months for as low as 31,700 pesos only. O may ganyan ka ng kalaking bahay. Yung mga OFWs dyan na nag-work hard, 'di ba? Now, it's now time to make an investment na talagang it will be yours for a lifetime at pwede nyo pang ipamana. 'Di ba? Ito na yung chance niyo po to own a home like this for as low as 31,700 monthly lang po. O, 'di ba? This is the Amira house model. Yan, you can reserve this for only 30,000 pesos po. And that amount is deductible from your down payment. So, silipin na po natin. Let's go! Nakikita niyo po ba? Ang bongga nitong Amira. Ay, ang lamig. There. So, for our new viewers out there, all of our houses po are complete interior finish, meaning pagka-turnover po sa inyo, livable na po siya with tiles, with fixtures, may mga saksakan na rin po. Ayan, so for the ground floor of the Amira house model, we use 60 by 60 ceramic tiles. Mas nakakaluwag po siya kasi malalaki po yung tiles na ginamit and less lines po yung nakikita natin. Alright? So, we are already here inside the living, dining, and kitchen area of the Amira house model. So nice, 'di ba? Ayan, so very common po for all our houses to have huge windows to let the natural light in. So this is the dining area. Kayang-kaya ang 6 to 8 seater. Ang ganda mag-bonding dito pag special occasions like Christmas reunion and New Year. Yes, Miss Vin Salamero, true ka dyan. And hindi ka tatamarin maglinis. Totoo. At saka ito, na-appreciate ko yung kitchen as someone who likes to cook. No? Ang sarap magluto kasi yung hindi lang wall yung kaharap mo. You have a view of the outdoor. 'Di ba? Lalo na if may mga tanim ka na mga halaman right outside, then you will appreciate having windows sa kitchen area mo. 'Di ba? Ang sarap kaya magluto yung may view ka, hindi lang wall. 'Di ba? And then, habang nagda-dine kayo as a family, you also have a view of your patio. O yan, kung lalagyan nyo siya ng mga plants dyan, outside the sliding door. Ang sarap, 'di ba? Parang lagi kang nasa bakasyon palagi pag ito yung bahay mo, 'di ba? True. And the countertop of the Amira house model is granite na po. So iba po yung cost niyan, 'di ba? Compared to the ceramic tile. So ang ganda po nito. Yes, you can also have barbecue sa malawak niyo pa po na garden kasi you'll have extra space outside your door. Check din sa ventilation kasi if you're in the kitchen, you can just open the window para to let the odor out, 'di ba? Yan. Maganda ang ventilation nitong bahay na to kasi sagana sa windows. Alright, so this is the ground floor toilet and bath of the Amira house model. Yes, so complete interior finish na nga po. Titirhan na lang talaga siya. Lalagyan niyo na lang po ng mga sofa, cabinet, ng dining table. Pero wala na po kayong ibang ipapagawa dyan. Kasi even the sockets for the heaters and for the... Actually, pati internet and telephone, ready na rin po siya. May mga nakaabang na rin po. Alright? So, again... You can reserve this house for only 30,000 pesos and pay only 26,000 pesos for the monthly down payment over 24 months. This is the Amira house model of Centrina Alaminos. Now we're going upstairs. Again, our stairs is made of concrete with wooden planks. So nice. So again, starting with the Araya house model, ang gamit na po natin sa second floor is ceramic tiles. Ayan. Less, low maintenance po kapag ceramic tiles talaga kasi. And, mukha pa rin siyang, wood, 'di ba? Akala niyo wood. But this is actually ceramic tile. So, ang ganda. Very elegant siya tignan. Yes, ang ganda panoorin. Totoo po. Ayan. So, let's look at the first bedroom on the second floor. So, again, we have 4 bedrooms in this house model. Yes. O, diba? Parang pag nanonood kayo, these are the dream homes come true. Kala mo ang mahal, pero kayang-kaya po ang mga presyo natin dito. Kasi ang gaganda talaga eh. Kahit ano pong house model na piliin nyo, sulit na sulit talaga. It's up to you na lang po how big your family is, ano yung needs nyo, 'di ba? And your budget also. Kasi we have a wide range of houses naman. We have 5 house models na pagpipilian. So this is the common toilet and bath here on the second floor. Pare-parehas po yun ng inclusions. And then, ayan. So this is the third bedroom. Ayan, to give you an idea, you can also put a double-deck bed if you have more children. Diba? And then, some more windows here. Ayan. Now, this is the, ayan na, this is the master bedroom. Alright. And the master bedroom has its own, ayan, walk-in closet. Ayan, may walk-in closet ka na dyan. So, kita nyo naman ang daming cabinet. Pagpasok mo dyan, may cabinet si Mr., si Mrs., diba? Tapos, nandito yung ating maluwag na toilet and bath. Sobra akong namomotivate pag nakakapanood ako ng mga ganito. Let's manifest that, ma'am! Diba? Malay niyo po. Now, pati sa banyo po ng master's bedroom, naka-granite po yung ating countertop. Very nice, right? And then you also have a cabinet, under-counter cabinet to store your toiletries. Yes, 'di ba? Walk-in closet na. Ayan po, kung makikita nyo, pag tinurn over po namin, kasama na po yung saksakan for the air conditioner and may butas na po yan para salpak na lang po kayo ng aircon. Hindi nyo na kailangan magpa-butas. Okay. O, 'di ba? Napaka luwag po ng mga rooms nitong Amira house model natin. Now, bukod dyan, di ba nandito na tayo sa second floor? Nabanggit ko na this house also has an attic. But before we go to the attic, compared to the other houses, the balcony of the Amira house model, nandito po siya sa common area. Hindi po siya sa loob ng master bedroom. Alright, so akitin na natin yung ating attic. Alright. May mga gamit lang po for presentation purposes para lang may idea po yung mga buyers natin kung ano po yung kalalabasan ng mga bahay natin if may mga gamit na po. Alright. But yung turnover po natin, livable na po siya. Pinturado na, may tiles na, no? And then may mga fixtures na siya. Kulang na lang po yung gamit. Okay? So, let's go up. This is the attic area. And, usually, pag naisip natin ng attic, di ba, madilim, storage, bodega, ganun. But, look at this. Ang luwag and ang taas ng ceiling nito. Now, you can use this attic area as your family entertainment area, or you can use this as a guest room, or you can divide it into 2 areas actually. Parang pwede siyang playroom of your children and then you can have your own work from home station, 'di ba? So, ang dami niyang pwedeng gawin. Very flexible. You can think of your own ways of utilizing this room. Yes, so nice, 'di ba? Ito yung attic na sinasabi natin. Ito na yung parang pang third floor niya. Isipin mo, house na 2-story with attic for as low as 26... Sorry, how much is that again? 30,000 pesos per month lang po. 10% down payment in 24 months. 'Di ba? Very affordable po 'yon at 31,000 per month for the down payment ng 10%. Sus Mariosep, ang ganda para sa magiging misis ko soon. Oh, ayan sir. Yeah, so you can use this as an entertainment room, 'di ba? For your family to hang out, or pwede mong hatiin, pwedeng isang side office mo, tapos yung kabilang side play area ng anak mo para habang nag-work ka, nababantayan mo pa rin siya, or study area, o 'di ba? Pwede rin guest room. So talagang marami siyang use, no? Ang daming extra space nitong house na to. And this is not yet the biggest house that we have, ha? Hindi pa to yung biggest. Meron pa tayong mas malaki dito. But Amira is really a great option for bigger families and for families na laging may get together, 'di ba? Kasi ang dami niyang extra space talaga. Yes, panalong panalo. Sabi nga ng iba, it's one of their favorites, the Amira house model. Ayan. So, once again, this is the Amira house model with 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths and attic for as low as 31,000 monthly based on 10% down payment payable in 24 months. Yes, meron pang mas malaki. And yung mas malaki na yun talaga, yun ang bestseller natin. So, ayan, isang silip ulit. Ito po yung ground floor ulit ng Amira natin. Before we proceed to the biggest house model of Centrina Alaminos. Alright, so malapit na, no? This is the 4th house model that we have. Alright, so ready na ba kayo makita yung ating last and biggest house model dito sa Centrina Alaminos? Ayan, so nakita nyo naman, from 3 bedrooms to 4 bedrooms, meron din tayong 5-bedroom house. Yan, especially dito sa Philippines, 'di ba? Most of us are living with our extended family members. Then this house, the next house that I'm going to show you is perfect po. It's actually one of the best sellers din talaga natin of all time. Ayan. So, ipakikilala ko po yung ating next na house model. And, by the way po, this subdivision will have its own commercial area. Dito po mismo sa labas ng ating subdivision. So, hindi lang po tayo malapit sa SM, kundi meron po tayo mismo sariling commercial development dito sa labas lang po mismo ng village natin. Alright? At saka, meron tayong complete amenities like swimming pool, basketball court, children's playground and clubhouse, plus jogging paths. Ayan, and parks. Ayan, para every weekend, diba, or pag uwi nyo, you'll have space to relax and bond with your family. And number 1 din po dyan is our location. Talaga naman, number 1. Yan, sa ating listahan is location, and number 1 din po yan pagdating dito sa Centrina Alaminos dahil along Maharlika National Highway lang po tayo. We can hail or we can get a bus going to Metro Manila. Paglabas nyo po ng subdivision, very accessible. So, bago po tayo pumasok ng Laveen model, ayan, yung pinakamalaki nating house model is the that is the Laveen house model. Tingnan nyo naman, hindi na siya magkasya sa frame ng aking camera because it's so huge. Ayan, so this one is a 5-bedroom house. Tamang-tama para sa mga families na may kasama ding mga lolo, lola, or cousins, tito, tita, diba? Alright. So, pasukin natin ang Laveen. The Laveen has a usable floor area of 181 square meters. Ang laki po, di ba? and has a minimum lot area of 145 square meters. Now, yung nakikita niyo po ngayon na house model, nakatayo po siya sa 174 square meter lot area kasi nasa corner lot po siya. So, sa mga may gusto po na malawak po talaga yung extra lot, I suggest you get the ones na located sa corner lot. Pero, syempre po, limited po yan. So, paunahan po sa mga may gusto po ng corner lot. Paunahan po tayo dyan. 'Di ba? So, pasukin po natin ngayon ang Laveen. Again, 5 bedrooms po ito with 3 toilet and baths. Sorry, 5 bedrooms with 3 toilet and baths and attic. So, there. So, una nating mapapasok syempre is the living, dining, and kitchen area of the Laveen house model. Kuya, charger ko kay... Charger ko kay... Alright. Yes, so this is the biggest house model that we have. Perfect na perfect if you have a bigger family. Alright, let's scan the whole ground floor first. Ang luwag ng nito, ang luwag ng living area nito, grabe. There, ang luwag. Yes. And we use 60 by 60 ceramic tiles, lalong mas nagbumukhang maluwag because we use the big tiles. Kasi pag sa designing po, if you have less lines on the floor, it will look more spacious. 'Di ba? Alright, and now this is the dining area. Again, tingnan nyo naman. Ang sarap kumain dyan, kaharap mo yung garden mo or yung patio mo sa likod, 'di ba? With the plants. Punuin mo ng plants dyan if you're a plantita. Alright, and ito, my favorite part of this house is actually the kitchen. Look at the kitchen naman. Meron siyang bar. Ayan, 'di ba? May bar na siya and the countertop is made of granite. Thank you po. Granite na 'yan, 'di ba? Ang luwag ng kitchen nito, grabe. Nakakaganang magluto. Sino ba namang hindi ma-excite magluto niyan, 'di ba? And of course, the kitchen has a window also overlooking your outdoor area. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng style, that's true. And ang dami niyang under-counter cabinet. So, it will be more organized because you have lots of storage. Although the overhead cabinets po, hindi pa po yan included, ha? Ang included lang po dito yung under-counter. Alright. So, hanggang dyan siya sa may corner. So, ang luwag po ng kitchen nito. And, parang for me, if you are busy, parang ang hilig mo talaga magluto at marami kang niluluto, maganda yung workflow area na to. Pag nagluluto ka, parang saktong-sakto siya sa galaw or sa flow ng, ng kilos mo sa kitchen. Yes. Alright, so again, this house has 5 bedrooms and 2 of the bedrooms are here on the ground floor. So this is the first bedroom that we have. So again, if you're living with seniors or may mga living with titos and titas, then they can have this room on the ground floor para they don't have to go up and down the stairs. 'Di ba? And it's also spacious with enough windows for ventilation also. And then we have another one here. There. So, ang nilagay nila dito is table, but kasi pwede siyang maging meeting room din. But you can also put a single bed here. 'Di ba? Tapos nandiyan yung kanyang cabinet with window also. Ayan. So this is how it looks like when your view is coming from the kitchen. 'Di ba? Ang luwag po ng kanyang living and dining areas. Alright. So again, sa mga bagong pasok po sa ating live, We are now having a live virtual tour of our houses here at Centrina Alaminos. And this is the biggest house model that we have. This is the Lavine house model with 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths with attic. So, the first toilet and bath is also here on the ground floor. Ayan. So, meron na rin siya. Kompleto na talaga yan. 'Di ba? Lavatory, and then water closet or inodoro with the telephone shower na may saksakan na for the water heater. May lalagyan na rin tayo ng mga shampoo and toiletries. Alright. Now, let's go to the second floor. Ayan, everybody, stay tuned. This is the last house model. Alright. So, this is now the second floor. And dito, pag akyat niyo po ng second floor, ito na po yung kanyang balcony. So, sliding door to. This is aluminum sliding door. See? Ay, grabe. Oh, ang hangin na naman. I hope you can feel the wind here. Sobrang presko talaga. I've been walking around this whole morning and hindi pa ako pinagpapawisan kasi ang presko talaga. Ang presko. Ayan. At kita niyo naman ang luluwag po ng mga roads natin. Di po ba? Yes. Tawagan ko na kuya ko na OFW para may idea siya. That's right, Miss Carrie Dre. Ayan. Alam niyo po, sulit na sulit po yung pinagpapaguran na pera, lalo na ng mga OFWs natin. If they can invest on a house like this, no? Hindi lang maganda, hindi lang very good ang quality, hindi lang maganda ang location, pero sa price nito, talagang value for money talaga siya, no? Ayan, so silipin natin the second floor na common toilet and bath. Okay. So, same din po with the ground floor one, but this one is a little more spacious. And then, mamaya na tong master bedroom natin. Ito yung ating, ayan, bedroom number 3. Totoo yan, Sir Vin Salamero, walang mga building sa labas, walang mga skyscraper or mga tall buildings, unlike sa Metro Manila, di ba? Ayan, and this is the 4th bedroom. Ay, ang luwag. Hindi pa ito yung master bedroom. Ayan, ang luwag niya. Then you still have closet space here. Tsaka, ayan, marami talagang bintana, no? Dala-dalawa pa yung mga bintana ng mga bedrooms natin. Ayan. And now, we are going to the master bedroom. So again, the tiles here sa second floor, ceramic po yan, pero mukha siyang kahoy. Diba ang ganda? So elegant talaga. Ayan. So this one is the master bedroom. Eto talaga. Look at that window. Ang lakas diba? Ang lakas hotel. Because of the huge windows, para kang nasa hotel. And, eto pa ha, I have a surprise for you. Look up. So, ang taas ng ceiling nito and more natural light is coming in because of the windows there sa hotel, I promise. Ayan. Ang luwag, grabe. Parang solar, totoo. Yun nga, naalala ko, parang mga, diba, parang windows ng hotel. And then you have the walk-in closet. Ito, mas maraming space. Yan. Lalo na for misis. Sa mga misis, kailangan talaga malaki ang closet space for all their things. And of course, the countertop of the master toilet and bath is granite. And here, you have a spacious master toilet and bath. That's true. Lakas maka-hotel. Ikaw ba naman, after a long day at work, and you come home to a house like this, then it's all worth it. Tama ba? Lahat ng tinatrabaho mo sobrang worth it. Kung ganito naman yung house na uuwian mo at makikita mo yung pinaghirapan mo na nag-materialize into your dream home. 'Di ba? Yung window is semi-tinted po. So, you can darken the tint kung gusto niyo po. Kasi, it's up to the preference po talaga din ng mga titira na if they want it darker or not. Kasi, you have the option to put curtains naman po. Ayan. So, this is the last and the biggest house model that we have here. Again, this is called the Lavine house model with 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths. Now, bakit tayo bumababa? Dapat pala paakyat pa tayo kasi meron pa tayong attic. So ito, nakita niyo yung attic, the attic of our Lavine model. Ang luwag nito. Parang isang buong floor din talaga to ng house. So if you have a huge family, kung mahilig kayo have guests over, then you can, oh my gosh! Ang laki! Wow! So, you can have your mini bar here, entertainment room siya, pwedeng ganyan. You can have pwede ka nga magkaroon ng parang mini theater dito sa luwag nito eh. 'Di ba? And yung attic nito, ayan, yung attic nito, ano to ha? Concrete flooring po siya. Buhos yan. It's not wood. Hindi siya wood panels. Actually, oo nga eh. Pwedeng hindi na ako magbukas ng ilaw, pero ito yung mga ilaw niyan. Ayan. Yes, so attic daw ba yan? Yan. So ito, pwede mo siyang gawing mini home theater, family entertainment room, playroom of your children, or you can divide this room pa. You can make this as your guest room pa. Marami. It's up to you. It's up to what you need and ano yung gusto nyong gawin with the space. But the important thing is that you have lots of extra space, 'di ba? Party room pwede rin. Alright, for the down payment po, ayan, we will discuss it. Down payment po natin, available po kasi sa lahat po ng house models natin. Pwede tayo as low as 10% down payment. Okay, so yung 10% down payment po na yon, pwede po yung hatiin sa 24 monthly installments. Ayan, so it will make it more affordable for everyone to acquire a home here. Okay, so first step is to, of course, reserve a unit muna. So, magkano po yung reservation ba? Ayan. So, pag-usapan natin yan. Sige. So, of course, the first thing that you have to do if you want to own a home here is to, number 1, reserve. Siyempre, magpapareserve ka. So, magkano ba yung ating mga reservation fee dito sa Centrina Alaminos? So, it starts at 20,000 pesos. So, yung mga smaller units natin earlier like the Avina, Ara, and Raya model, you can reserve them for 20,000 pesos. And then for the bigger ones, the Raya, Amira, and Lavine model po, pwede niyo po siya i-reserve for only 30,000 pesos. So, kasama po itong Lavine house model na to sa 30,000 pesos na reservation. Now, after the reservation, pag ano rin po, kailangan magpasa rin po kayo ng mga requirements. So, for reservation po, you just need to pass or to submit your 2 valid government IDs. They should be valid, meaning hindi pa po expired. Dapat government issued po. And then, kailangan nyo rin po ng mga income requirements. So, for those who are locally employed, kailangan nyo po ng Certificate of Employment and Compensation. And then, kailangan i-ready nyo rin po yung ITR ninyo. Para naman po sa mga OFWs, we need your job contract and your payslips. Ayan. And then, kailangan din po if ever you're working sa like mga Dubai, Italy, kailangan po English translated na po yung inyong mga documents. Alright, what else? So, for the reservation stage also, you need to submit your, the 2 valid IDs, proof of income, and proof of billing. So, you need to submit your billing statement, any billing statement po na nakapangalan sa inyo. If you are renting or living with your relatives, then you can also submit the billing statement there and then just give us a letter po na authorization from the owner of the bill. Okay po. So yan, napakadali lang po, 'di ba? Very basic requirements. So just pay the reservation fee. It's either 20,000 or 30,000 pesos depending on the house model, and then just submit the requirements po for you to reserve your dream home here at Santina Alaminos. Now, about the price. So the prices of our house models, nag-range po yan from 5 million and up. So, the Avina model po, ayan, right now po kasi, mas malaki po sa minimum lot area yung available inventory natin. So, the price starts at 5 million pesos. So, i-reserve niyo po siya for 20,000 pesos. And then, the 10% down payment is 480,000. As low as 20,000 pesos lang po per month ang babayaran nyo for 24 months para po sa ating down payment. Yan po yung sa Avina. Now, for the ARA model, ang available natin ngayon na may total contract price is 5.3 million. Reservation fee is 20,000. And then the 10% down payment is 518,000 po. Now, divide that into 24 months. As low as 21,500 lang po na monthly down payment, maa-avail nyo na po ang ARA model. Next naman is Raya model. So yung Raya natin, kanina, the one with the 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths, that's 6.6 million. So you have to pay the reservation fee of 30,000 pesos, and then after that, you'll pay the down payment na 10%, which is 630,000. So, ang lalabas po yan kung 10% down payment up to 24 months, it's as low as 26,345 per month lang po. O, diba? Still very affordable. Now, pagdating po sa Amira, yan, yung meron pong attic kanina, yung second to the biggest house model. Si Amira po has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths with attic. That's 7.9 million po sa total contract price niya. You can reserve it for 30,000 pesos. And the down payment ng 10% is 760,000 po. So divide that into 24 months. Kayang-kaya niyo po siyang hulugan for only 31,700 per month. Alright, so yun po yung Amira natin. And lastly, for the Lavine model, this is the Lavine model. Ayan, yung pinakamalaki natin, the one with 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths plus attic. Ngayon po kasi, ang pinakamaliit natin na available na lot area for the Lavine is 168 square meters. So malaki po siya, no? Supposedly, ang pinakamaliit lang po dapat na lote nito is 130. Yes. So, ang minimum lot area para magtayo ng Lavine is 130. But right now, sa inventory natin, the available lot area is 168 square meters. So, the total contract price is already at it's at only 10 million po. So, reserve natin siya ng 30,000, then pay the 10% down payment na 982,000 po. The monthly down payment for 24 months is only 40,939. Ayan. So, sa ganong halaga, you will have a 5-bedroom house with attic with lots of space. Yan, interior and exterior space. Meron pa kayong parang garden sa labas. Meron din kayong utility area at the back. You have extra space sa side po ng house ninyo. So, lahat po ng mga house natin dito ay single po, no? Single po yung mga houses natin. Wala po tayong townhouses dito. So, again, lahat po ng prices mentioned, the total contract price mentioned po, are all in. Yan, natapos po natin lahat ipakita ng mga house models natin from the most affordable to the biggest one. And I can say na lahat po yan ay maganda. It's really up to your preference na lang po if you want more bedrooms or if you want a smaller space. Yan, for your starting family po, no, nasa sa inyo na lang po yon. So, lahat po yan ay maganda and lahat po yan complete turnover na, especially para sa mga OFWs natin who are watching. Talaga pong hassle-free, 'di ba? Hassle-free kasi unang-una, kami na po ang magtatayo ng bahay sa inyo. Kami na po magpa-process ng lahat para sa inyo. You will just submit your requirements and pay the monthly down payment and amortization po ninyo. Pagdating po sa miscellaneous fees, included na po yan sa prices natin. All in po tayo. Even the move-in fee. 'Di ba? Kasama na yan. Move-in fee. Wala na po kayong mga babayarang mga ganyan. Lilipat na lang po talaga kayo. Dala-dala ang mga furniture nyo. That's it. Ayan. Kailan po ang amenities?
2020.
Alright. So, the amenities will be finished by year 2025. And yung amenities natin are resort-inspired amenities, complete with swimming pool, parks and playground for children, and then we have clubhouse din po and jogging paths. Yes, na-amaze. Ano yun? Na-amaze po ako sa mga units ng Centrina. Maluwag, malalaki. Yes po. And you know what? I still recommend to see it for yourself, no? Maganda po. Actually, mas may in love po kayo sa personal. Yan. But I hope that you enjoyed this virtual tour para to give you an idea of what we are offering here at Centrina Alaminos. So what we offer is that you can have it all here at Centrina. The convenience, the class, and the comfort of living here at Centrina Alaminos. That's why #life is better at Centrina. So much required income po per model. So, yes, Miss Rica Basilio, that's a good question. So, usually po the banks compute it like this. So, yung magiging yung mapipili nyo po na payment term, no, pag kinompute po namin yan dito sa office, i-base po namin dun sa monthly amortization ninyo and then i-divide po natin yan sa 35%. So, kunyari, for example, ang monthly amortization nyo is, for example, 38,000, diba? So, yung 38,000 po na monthly amortization nyo, para ma-determine natin kung pasok po yung monthly income ninyo, yung 38,000 po na yan, divide nyo po sa 35% or 0.35. So, may calculator ba kayo dyan? Ayan. So, kung meron kayong calculator, compute nyo yan. Magkano po ba ang lalabas? Yun po yung kanilang i-require na income. Now, pagdating po sa income, it should be your basic income. And it can be combined income po of one household. Or kung may co-borrower po kayo, pwede nyo po i-combine po yun. Ayan. So, pwede rin po dalawa kayo or tatlo kayong co-borrowers. Or kung mag-asawa po, ayan, kino-combine naman po yung income. So, magkano ba yon sa, kunwari, for example lang just to give you an idea po. For example, 38,000 divided by 35%.
Wala akong ano.
Sige. So, i-compute natin yan. And then, yun po yung, i-require po na income ng bangko.
Ito na lang, Chris. Wala kasi yung...
Ayan. For example...
Kayo ng base na lang kayo sa computation. So, hindi ko siya makuha dito.
Ayan. So, for example, nasa 38,000, ang required income po is 108,000. Mga ganun, more or less, 110,000. Ganun na. Ilagay na natin sa ganun. 110,000. Ayan. Ayan. Ito ang bahay na hindi ka magkakamot ng ulat problema pagdating sa luwag at laki ng space. Wow! Thank you for your comment, Sir Vin. Ayan. So, yan. Sumagot si Miss Mary Shell. Sanchez Orencia, yan, 108,571. So, mga ganun po. So, pagdating po sa income, pwede naman po yung combined income. And if you want to see it for yourself and appreciate our model houses more, then please message us po dito po sa page namin to schedule a site viewing. Thank you so much! Construction details and move-in fee. Actually, wala po tayong move-in fees because yung mga prices na binanggit ko po kanina, the TCP or the total contract price already is all-inclusive. That means wala po tayong hidden charges. Kasama na po yung lahat ng miscellaneous fees such as the water and power connection plus the bank fees and charges po are all included in our total contract price already. So, wala na po tayong mga tinatawag na move-in fees. Ayan, kasama na po yon. Okay. And then, regarding construction po, it really depends on the size of the house. So, if mga smaller house models like Avina and Ara, usually ang construction period po natin is 12 months. Alright? 12 months. And then for the bigger houses po, mga 15 months po yon. So habang nag-uulog din po kayo naman, syempre, we will construct the house po upon full down payment. Ayan. Malinaw naman po. I hope clear naman po yung information na nasi-share natin, and I really appreciate that you're asking these questions para rin po nasasagot na po siya for everyone. Thank you so much!